Guess what, guys? It's the weekend, and I've challenged Hannah to a competition to see who exactly is the boss. So, on the line, if she loses, she don't know this yet, but if she loses, she's going to wash the car for 2 weeks straight. She just said excuse. I don't know if you can hear it. If she loses, she's going to wash the car for 2 weeks straight. And if she wins, then she'll get a fast, she loves fast food, so she gets a fast food package on for 2 weekends straight. So
what do you think about that? What do you think about that, Hannah?
So,
you're in agreement?
Yes. And what happens if you lose?
if I lose, you win. So if you win, which is when I lose, you get 2 weekends of fast food. That's big.
I can't do that to you.
Yeah, you'd wash my car for 2 weeks.
No, I mean you won't do nothing for me. I mean, well, you're going to buy the food.
Exactly.
But I mean,
so that's the
fine,
victory for you.
fine.
Yeah, but I don't plan to lose. So let's see how it goes, guys.
And you have to bring an A game.
yeah,
But before-
I will.
Alright.
But before we go outside, we're going to do some mackerel chop suey for dinner. Just joking. These are some chicken with some Walker's Wood, scallion, blah blah blah, thyme, blah blah blah, and it looked nice. And we're going to get it in the oven for dinner. Also have a vibe and hold a vibe. But let's take it to the court, guys. Alright, so this is my competition, guys. Let's take a look at this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this, guys. This is the girl that was doing netball for how many months?
Steady.
How many months? Look at this. Take a look at this.
Stop. You're not much better, yeah?
Ah ha ha!
Yes. Never stop now.
Let's try, Hannah. Go, lady, go. Shoot it in the. Oh, boy. Alright, so this is the hoop. NBA standard. NBA issued hoop. It may resemble a garbage bin.
But don't
it's-
let that fool you.
Yeah, don't let that fool you. It's not a garbage bin. Alright, so this is where it's all going down, guys. Alright, so we'll be doing 3 events today. Just 3. The basketball shootout. We'll be doing the bun eating / raisin bread eating contest. And finally, the catch the bus. Alright? So, somebody scored?
Hannah.
Oh, Hannah scored, guys. I mean, she's been there for about 10 minutes now. So, let's go straight to it.
Netball practice a kid. What? Paul, I'm sorry for you.
Alright, so apparently she's on a row behind me. So the rules of this game, the rules for the shootout is we'll be doing like a penalty, like a typical football competition. Each player will take alternating turns to shoot. So I will shoot one, then Hannah will shoot one. And we will both go through 5. So regardless of how the scores are going, we'll go through 5. If at the end of the 5, the person who has more will win. If after 5 there's still a tie, let's say we're all on 0-0 or 1-1 or 3-3, we will then go to sudden death where each round, if someone scores and the other doesn't, that person who scores will be declared the winner. So just making it very clear for everybody. So when I win, I don't want anybody saying that's a thief.
Yes.
Alright? Let's go.
So we have our little spectators here cheering on Team Paul and Team Hannah. Alright. So this is the line. And this is the distance from our hoop. Yeah? Ready, competitors?
Let's go. going to allow her to go first.
No, why? Okay.
I'm going to allow her to go first, and we'll see how it goes.
We have some spectators on the field. We just want to clear those.
Yes! Yes! She missed! She missed!
That's what I can do any better.
Okay, so even after all that theatrics, it came to nothing. Close one, close one, close one. All right. That counts, you know. How much you got now?
That was kind of search, huh?
Oh. Woo! Listen, Mr. Trash Talker, you have to back up the trash talk with actual work.
Let's start getting serious now, guys. The jokes in done. Game
Focus and concentration, guys. Oh.
Last one.
Say, if I score this one, she wins. Because then I won't be able to get back 2 for 1. Alright.
So Paul
Down to the
still
wire.
has one
Down to the
opportunity left.
I'm sorry to go to extra time.
Can he do it? Can he do it? Oh no!
Alright, fine. Alright, so the next competition is the bun/raisin bread eating contest. And the rules of the competition are this. Each competitor will be given a half of a bun, a half of a raisin bread, and the first person to clearly devour all of the raisin bread and bun by not just eating but swallowing and be able to open them out to the judge and show that everything is gone, they will be declared the winner. Again, the stakes are 2 weeks of washing the car if Hannah loses, and 2 weeks of fast food for Hannah if I lose. So, I'm already down from the basketball competition. So, keep it. Alright, baby. Alright, thank you. I'll keep it, baby. So, here we go for the bun eating, raisin bread eating contest. Alright, so between me and you, my strategy here is to going to do the bun first and then the raisin bread. All in the noggin side. Let's go.
Alright, so there we have it. We have equal proportions of the thing. And we're gonna start now.
No. You have to say 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
Faster, come.
False start. We're a little too excited. We're a little too excited for this competition. Alright. Tell you what. You know this I go now. So when I say 3, when I go reach down, grab on a plate and start eating.
When you say 3,
When I go 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
When I reach 3.
Okay.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Pan.
And he has taken the last bite.
Stop!
And do we have it?
We have a champion.
Do we have a champion?
We have a champion.
Well, let's see. Let's see evidence of it.
It's have to be blurred.
All right. Okay. So we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. Yay!
Alright, so we're going into the last competition now. This competition is called Catch the Bus. I'll be catching the bus to work. She'll be catching the bus to school. We're going to be putting on a button-up shirt, pants, pair of socks, and laced-up shoes. And the first person to go between the stations and back to the starter will be the winner. Remember, it's no 1-all. Hannah won the basketball competition. I won the bunny eating competition. So this, guys, will determine who washes cars for 2 weeks or who spends for 2 weeks on fast food on the other. You don't want to miss it. Stay at the edge of your seats, guys. It's going down now. Alright, so this is the starting blocks for Paul, his shirt, his Barney socks. On this side, we have Hannah's clothes, her shirt, her socks. And down here, so the contestants will be running back and forth in order to get the garments. These are Hannah's shoes and her pants. These are Paul's shoes and his pants.
Our veteran contestant is warming up as he goes to the starting line. We bump elbows, or not quite. All right. Get on your marks. Get set. False. We have a false start from Hannah. All right, so our competitors are back on their line. On your marks. Set. Go. So they're having to put on their shirts first. So Paul has gotten his on. Hannah has gotten hers on. And their buttons are supposed to line up.
Very good fight, George. Very good fight.
We see Hannah is not lining up her buttons. Will this affect her?
Go line up.
Will this affect her?
Oh, mine.
So Paul has to start all over again. Hannah has to start all over again. So now they're both. Hannah is buttoning from the bottom. Paul is buttoning from the top.
No. So, no. Pull that. Alright.
Oh.
Yes, right there. I'm gonna hit you.
Was he doing that to distract me?
No, I was helping you.
And Paul is off.
No!
So he's off to put on his pants. Hannah is still buttoning her shirt. Oh no. She's off. She reaches for her pants. She slips one leg on. But Paul is already done. And he's ready to put his socks on.
Hannah, how you take put on set pants? It has no button, no zipper.
Our competitors are putting on their socks. Let's see. Paul has put on his socks wrong.
What? No.
And he's now putting on his shoes.
No.
Hannah is still putting on one foot of socks. While Paul puts his shoes on. And they have to lace up the shoes, his lace up shoes. And Paul is And Paul takes it by a hair. And And he does his victory lap. And Hannah in despair.
No.
Oh my goodness. Hannah in despair. What a loss after such a stunning start.
I'd like to thank God. All my fans out there. It wasn't easy, a lot of work, especially in the COVID year. But with God, all things are possible. I thank my coaches from prep school and primary school and high school. My family. Yeah. So big up, guys, and take care. Alright, so now that's it for the weekend competition. And as you can see, guys, I did not disappoint. I won, which means Hannah will be washing the Batmobile 2 weeks in a row. And I don't have to buy her fast food for 2 weeks in a row. So it's a great weekend. We're going to go inside and cook some chicken now. And probably some fries and probably fry a green plantain. Just for that vibe. Probably watch some Netflix or something. But yeah.
Mom.